Hey, my brainy heroes and smart thinkers. Let's start with our addition adventure. Think if you have a half glass of water and you want to make it full, what will you do? You will add more water into it. Simply, when we add things, it becomes more. Now, let's start with our addition stories simple word problems. Now, everyone, gear yourself up. Think and add. Hamza is building a train. He joins four train carriages together. Then he adds one more carriage. How many carriages are there in the train now?
5.
Over here, Teacher Lina says that let's read the rabbits. A rabbit eats three carrots in the morning and two carrots in the afternoon. How many carrots did the rabbit eat altogether? Yes, Hamza?
It's 5.
Good job. Well, over here, Hamza has four fish in a tank. The pet shop owner add two more fish into it. Now tell me, Hamza, how many fish are there in the tank now?
6.
Well done. Hey, Hamza, there are five children in the playground. Five more children join them. How many children are playing there in the ground? Can you please tell me?
10.
Well done, you got it. Can you please smartly tell me that Sarah picks eight flowers, then she picks two more flowers? How many are they? Tell me quickly.
10.
Well done. You did it very well. Okay, Hamza, can you please think and tell me how many teddy bears do you have?
7.
And how many you received on your last birthday?
2.
So how many teddy bears you have in total?
9.
Well done, you got it. Well, my dear ones, Hamza did it very well and he got the big golden star. Similarly, what you all have to do, you all have to think, add the things, and tell to your mom or your elder one, and keep practicing during summer vacations. Enjoy your holidays and Fi Manillah.